Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'll show you the easiest way how you could download Windows 11 as an ISO file or in the ISO format from the official website of Microsoft in a legal way. To do that, just open your browser and type download Windows and hit enter. You might be prompted to download Windows 10, just click on it, that's fine, we will change it. And here, this page will appear on your local language, so it might appear in Czech or in English or whatever language you are using. So you want to go to the search bar and you want to remove the Windows 10, only Windows 10, and hit enter. We are redirected to another page. Click on Windows 11. Again, I will just translate this page. I have translated the page. So now what we want to do, we want to click Create Installation Media for Windows 11. Just click Download. It will download a little tool which you can use for setting up Windows. We'll just click Save. The tool is very light, so click on it to open. And here, double click on the tool to run. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow the application to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. It's a Microsoft Windows tool, so it's safe. It will say that it's getting a few things ready. You need to wait 1 to 3 seconds to even 30 seconds. And then applicable notice and license term, I invite you to read through before clicking accept. And again, it will take 30 more seconds to show up the main menu. And here you have the option to either use the recommended settings based on your computer which you are using, or just untick and select the language which you want. Windows 11, that's the only edition. And go ahead. This Windows 11 covers everything: Windows Home, Windows Professional, Windows Student. So you will have different options when you want to use Windows to use. So this downloads all the options for you with one language. So here we'll select ISO file and click Next. We will select the file where we want to save our Windows. So I will just try to locate a disk with enough space. So it's test. Okay. Let's name it Windows 11 and click Save. The operation may take few seconds to up to few minutes based on how fast is your internet and how fast is your hard disk where you are saving the data. If it's an SSD, it goes even faster than a classical hard disk. So however, it should not be more than 5 to 10 minutes. I will just pause the video here and I will show you later on what to click on the next menu. So once the download is over, you can just close the application, go to the file where you have chosen the Windows to be downloaded and saved, and here you will find the Windows 11 as an ISO file. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.